Good day, students of life sciences, and every other person who has been inspired by the wonderful mission of BioPurpose Mobile Institute and wants to be a part of this online class. My name is Prince Orazu. I am the founder of the BioPurpose Mobile Institute and Biology Made Simple online class. Biology Made Simple is an online class determined to help students understand complex concepts and theories in biology in the simplest way possible, with lots of tips and techniques. With over 4 years of experience teaching this subject, both in theory and in practice, I can confidently say that it is a broad and complex branch of natural sciences. But with the right tips and techniques, you will realize that biology can relatively be so simple than you think. The tips and techniques we are going to teach you are backed up by lots of research in neuroscience and psychology. Not only can these techniques be applied specifically to biology, but it can also be applied to other biology-related courses. This online class has mostly been inspired by the students of Beck Royal Montessori Academy, Aba, Abia State, Nigeria, and every other student all over the world who is facing some difficulties in this subject. Biology is not an easy course to study, but it is quite simple if you can get the fundamentals right. Easy and simple are two different words. Biology encompasses many areas of science, mostly natural sciences. So a good, deep, but simple understanding of biology can revolutionize the way we see life and also set us up for a successful academic career as a life scientist. I know you have already clicked the subscribe button. If you haven't, please do so, because we're going to be teaching you those tips and techniques that you will surely need to master in order to be the best and also stand out in this field of learning. Also watch till the end, because we have a bonus tip for you. Trust me, you won't like to miss out. Okay, today we will be explaining a very important technique that may sound familiar to many people, but very few people understand it and use it very well. Visualization, both physical and imaginary. Have you ever written something without thinking? Have you ever thought of something without seeing anything in your mind? Have you ever met a person and say, "I remember your name, but I've forgotten your face"? Obviously, the answer to the following questions is no. As humans, we are much better at thinking in pictures, images, and diagrams than in abstract words. When I say amoeba, what comes to your mind first? Is it the word amoeba or the picture of an amoeba? I'm pretty sure it's the latter. Let me give you another example. A week ago, I was teaching some students in Beck Royal Montessori Academy, Aba. I explained the process of blood clotting so easily without mixing words. I told the students that they could do more if only they could think in pictures like I did. Look at this. This is the process of blood clotting in a picture. This is exactly how I see it. You can use this technique in another different way. Let's say you are trying to memorize the process of cellular respiration, which includes glycolysis, citric acid cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. You don't have to think in just ordinary pictures in this case. You have to be able to convert the picture into something pleasurable and memorable, like a factory line with different sectors performing different functions that add to the overall results. Now, here's the bonus tip. How can we know the characteristics of anything in biology? The first one should be visual understanding and visualization, which I've just explained. It is not easy to know every single characteristic of anything in biology unless you are merely memorizing it, which might only stick to your short-term memory. But if you want it to stick to your long-term memory, you will have to have some kind of physical connection with the organism and also be able to visualize the features it possesses. This is why I started the BioPurpose Mobile Institute. You can check out the YouTube channel of our institute by clicking the link in the description box of this video. Finally, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, as we will be posting more videos on tips and techniques for becoming a science pro, specifically a biologist. Also, leave your comments on this video with a thumbs up. Always remember that a picture is worth 1,000 words. So whenever you meet any word in biology, try to first of all visualize it in your mind. If you can see it in your mind, then probably and possibly you can explain it. We sincerely love you. Till next time.